Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Taude from Gossip Funda. Our video today focuses on the problem of laptop sound not working. There are a few reasons why your laptop sound might not be working, including laptop on mute. The mute button on your keyboard might be on. Second is low volume. The volume might be turned down. Third is audio output device. The wrong audio output device might be selected in your computer system setting. Fourth is the driver or hardware issue. Here are some solutions which we can try. Let us look at them. First is to check your volume settings. For this, you need to go to the menu section and select the sound icon or the speaker icon. Then scroll on the bar and increase or decrease the volume. This simple solution would resolve the problem. Second is to update and reinstall the audio drivers, for which you need to go to the device manager. Then select sound, video and game controllers. Over here, check that the audio system is been correctly attached and installed. Over here, you can uninstall the driver or update the driver for the smooth working of your sound system on the laptop. You can update it so that the drivers work properly further on. The next step is audio output device. For this, you again need to go to the menu selection and check the sound output. Make sure that the output device is the speaker or any other external device which is connected. Fourth step is run an audio troubleshoot, for which you need to go to the sound settings and then troubleshoot common sound problems from the input or the output devices through which there are problems you are facing, or else you can select and run both of them. This will surely tell you what is the problem or if there are no troubleshooting errors. Next step is disable audio enhancement. For this, go again to the settings and to the sound settings. In the advanced solution, click on more sound options. Over here, click on the speaker option and then click on properties. Then go to levels or advanced and close the signal enhancement. This would reduce any other problems by which the audio is not working. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.